Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I want to thank Almighty Allah for bringing us this far. It has been almost 3 years of wait, 3 years of worry, 3 years of uncertainty. But today, Alhamdulillah, we have arrived. This victory today is not for me. It's for the people of Banisa. They have waited all that long, but this is a testimony that patience pays. I would also like to thank the county leadership for standing with me all along. Our county led by our governor, Ahmed Maalim Hassan, our senator, Ali Roba. I can say my colleagues, Major Bashir, Honorable Alan Haji, Honorable Corre, and all other members of parliament. And our women rep, yes, she's also here in the room. I would also like to pass my thanks to her. My thanks goes also to the members of the county assembly who have dedicated their time to make sure that this victory is possible. I say thank you very much. For my campaign team, who were behind the scene tirelessly, night on, night in, night out, I say thank you very much. I cannot express my gratitude enough. Thank you very much for my campaign team. They have made sure that today's victory is possible because of their hard work, determination, coordination, and they have been with us for all along. And for that, I thank you very much. I am calling on my competitor to embrace the spirit of competition and accept this election result. They have vigorously campaigned, peacefully campaigned, and it is my honor to welcome them so that we lead this great constituency of Banisa. For those who voted for me, I say thank you very much. For those who did not vote for me, you are still in my constituency, and I say thank you very much as well. Banisa is a diverse constituency, and we want to make sure that peace prevails between our community, and we will work very hard. We will work tirelessly with our county government and with my colleagues to make sure that peace returns to this area, and a peace that will last long, inshallah. For my people of Banisa, it has been long overdue. We have had 3 years of non-development, but I will be pulling up my socks and making sure that we get at par with other constituencies in as much as development is concerned. For our ladies, we want to make sure, inshallah, with the help of God, that we will care for your needs, for our women. For our youth, we will make sure, inshallah, that we will look for job opportunities for you, inshallah, within the national government and also in coordination with the county government. With that, I say thank you very much. I cannot express how happy I am. It is 3 years too long. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.